If your manifestations are feeling blocked lately, this might be the missing piece. Do you ever get stuck in a loop where you're probably brushing your teeth or watching something on TV or just sipping on your coffee and suddenly this thought starts playing in your head like a broken record? वो tape अटक जाती है ना वैसे, and you wonder that why am I thinking this? Why is this just going on repeat in my mind? It could be something that you had thought you had moved on from, but you're like, wait, how did this show up again? Because sometimes हमें लगता है that we have moved on, but what we've actually done is taken that, put it in a drawer and put it away. It's still there and that drawer creaks every time you open it. And that stuck energy, it builds up physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. When we talk about manifestation, you'll often hear people saying that it's about your frequency, the energy, the vibration that you let out into the world. Just adjust your energy and you'll manifest faster. But if it was that easy, wouldn't everyone be manifesting wonderful things 24/7? But what if it is, once you know how to? That's where this little Hawaiian prayer, which I'm going to be talking about, comes in, which quietly clears your energy and creates space for your desires to come in, for them to manifest. This practice is called Ho'oponopono, which means to make right or to return to harmony. Traditionally, this was used in Hawaiian communities where they would come together to resolve conflicts. Families would sit together to clear emotional and spiritual tension. Today, there's a modern version which can be practiced solo. It is super simple and it has changed lives around the world. So basically, what do? There are 4 simple phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. That's it. Just 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You can say these out loud, you can whisper it, write it in your journal, or even quietly say it in your mind. You can say it to yourself, your younger self, your higher self, to a memory, to the universe, to God, or to no one at all. It is so simple, but the shift is profound. By doing this, you're not fixing anyone else. You're just making peace with your own energy. I'm sorry is humility. It's owning that the energy is inside you. Please forgive me is a release. It's a form of surrender. It's surrendering the need to carry or control it. Thank you is gratitude and trust that healing is possible. I love you is the rebalancing force, the highest frequency we have. Each of these 4 phrases works like emotional acupuncture. They are subtle, but it reaches places where words normally don't. You're gently dissolving old tensions, just not mentally, but energetically. And here's what most people miss. Words shape your reality. आप जो खुद को बार-बार कहते हो, वही आपका reality बन जाता है. Your words don't describe your feelings, they broadcast it. When you repeat these 4 phrases with emotion, you shift your nervous system. You change your brain chemistry. ये कहते समय आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, बस वो emotion feel करना है. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. When you say it with that belief, it creates a major shift inside you. And here's why this practice works. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, your brain has an electrical signal and your heart has a magnetic signal. Now, a lot of times we think of something, we want to manifest something, but we don't get that feeling. On one hand, you want love. On the other hand, you're scared of it. What if you're abandoned? What if it doesn't work out? So these 2 signals contradict each other. But when what you're thinking and what you're feeling are aligned, then automatically you create an electromagnetic field around you. This is not magic, it is science. You create your own Wi-Fi field and you emit a signal to which the universe responds. So what Ho'oponopono does, it clears that emotional static. It evens out the signal that you're sending out to the universe. It allows your heart and your mind to be in sync, in alignment. You're not forcing anything. You're just creating space so that whatever you're asking for, you can actually receive that. That is when the shift happens. And you can literally manifest anything like this. Let's say you've been trying to manifest a new job or a relationship or a fresh start. But आप कुछ भी कर लो, nothing is happening. In that situation, instead of trying to push harder, try this. Ask yourself, what am I still holding? आपका mind कुछ कह रहा है, but what is your heart actually telling you? Do you think it is too late? Do you think you can never trust anyone again because of your past? Is it the fear of rejection? Is it guilt over something that you've said? And then Speak these phrases to that memory. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can do this even for small moments. You lost your temper on your kid. You find your mind going in a spiral when you're expecting a text. Or you're just exhausted from trying to be okay all the time. This is not about pretending that nothing has happened. It is just letting your nervous system relax so that you are emitting the right frequency out into the universe. You don't need agarbatti. You don't need an hour of silence. All you need to do to practice this is pause. Let whatever is bothering you surface and then quietly say these 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Say it in the car, say it in the kitchen, say it at night before bed, but just say it with intent. The healing is in the sincerity of it, not the setup. It's like untangling a knot little by little until your energy feels clearer, quieter, calmer. You don't have to force peace. You can just whisper your way there. So if your manifestations feel stuck, try this. Not to get something, but just to clear space for it to come in. It's like closing the tab on a browser that you've just minimized, but it's there on your screen. What is one memory or moment that you think you're ready to soften? Do leave it down in the comments. If this resonated with you at any level, do press the like button and share this with someone who's trying to manifest something in their lives. And if you want to discuss this topic further, do watch this video next, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.